If your iPhone does not vibrate anymore in silent mode, then let us see some of the things that we can do to fix the issue. The first thing that you will do is you will simply restart your iPhone. Sometime restarting the iPhone will fix many of the minor issue. The other thing after that one is go to settings, and you have to go to this option accessibility, go to touch, and there is an option here vibration. Make sure that it is enabled. After this one, the other thing that you can do is go to settings again, and you have to go to this option sounds and haptics. At first go to this option ringtone and go to vibration and make sure that it is synchronized or default. If you have already selected synchronized, then you might want to try any other vibration mode. Make sure that you have not selected this option none. Select any other option from here which you like. After this one, again go back, go to this sounds and haptics under settings again, and below there is an option play haptics in ring mode and silent mode. Make sure that you have selected this option play haptics in silent mode, and also system haptics, it should be enabled. So once you do all of these things, check if the iPhone will vibrate in silent mode or not. The last thing that you can do is you can go to settings here, go to general, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset and select this option reset all settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now if I select this option reset all settings, the settings of your iPhone will be changed. No data will be deleted. But if you have customized your home screen, or if you have customized other applications, those customizations will be removed, but no data will be deleted. So do all of these things and check if the iPhone will vibrate in silent mode or not.